Yeah. I got a story to now after I done told this motherfucking story is we gonna interview the motherfucker that was in the passenger seat driving with this crazy motherfucker.
Now, after he picked me up and we did chug the beers and he did get drunk.
Stories from Big Dro, MKE, man, you know what I'm saying, from Millie Mom, man. I got
Dead
something
end,
to tell you.
with a big ass cul-de-sac and a little thing in the middle, a big ass brick of
I have
concrete.
a tendency to get wasted as a bitch.
85 miles per hour, 90, 100. I don't know, it was fast as hell and I was grabbing from a seatbelt.
What I do after I get wasted as a bitch is I go and pick up one of my
Motherfucker,
friends.
do you see that? And he's like,
when I'm drunk, I just so happen to see a house I like on the corner.
Until he finds that house that he likes and drives on the grass. Does donuts through the grass.
After we chug the motherfuckers. I drive on their motherfucking lawn like it's mine.
I just found out that he actually liked it, but man, that is what he does when he gets drunk.
I say it's good to see you too, my friend. Because when I'm drunk and I see a house I like, I wish I lived in that motherfucker.
That is what he does when he gets...
Then what I do is safely drop my friend off. And he calls me about it the next morning. Peace. Yeah.